Hello and welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today I just wanted to show you some of the updates I did and got me some new toolboxes, plenty of extra storage for tools. I really like that. Got me a nice little backdrop, real calming and peaceful. Reminds you of sitting at the ocean front, hearing the waves roll in. And of course my motorcycles. You've seen most of these motorcycles. That one over there is my Honda Goldwing. I'm getting ready to take it on a long trip down the tail of a dragon. Leave here in just a few days, actually. And I can't wait to go. This is going to be my first long trip. I think the Goldwing's all ready. And what's that? Box. What box? Oh, that box over there? I did it again. I got me another bike. And so you don't want to miss this. I got an unveiling coming up pretty soon. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. All right, we'll see you on that one. Woo!